Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is probably one of the most sought-after appliances for anyone looking to significantly improve their indoor air quality, especially in medium-sized rooms, as it combines powerful HEPA filtration with a sleek, modern design that can blend seamlessly into any home decor, making it a functional yet aesthetically pleasing addition to your living space while actively combating allergens, dust, pet dander, and even airborne viruses. Number 5. Medify MA50 Air Purifier version 3.0. Introducing the Medify MA50 Air Purifier version 3.0, designed to cover vast areas efficiently. It cleans up to 2,640 square feet in just 1 hour, ensuring fresh air throughout your home or office. Experience superior air quality with its HEPA H13 filter. It captures 99.9% of harmful particles as small as 0.1 microns, including allergens, smoke, and pet dander. Enjoy peace and quiet with its ultra-quiet operation, especially on the lowest fan speed. You can even dim the lights with sleep mode for undisturbed rest. This air purifier is incredibly easy to use, featuring a touch-screen panel with a timer, fan speed control, and a filter replacement indicator. It's also safe for use around children and pets. Rest assured with its CARB, ETL, and ENERGY STAR certifications. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, and the replacement filter lasts for months. What we like? This unit offers maximum coverage, cleaning large spaces quickly. It features HEPA H13 filtration to capture even the finest particles. If you have a very large home or a busy commercial space and need powerful, efficient air purification, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is a great choice for medium-sized rooms, effectively removing allergens and odors. Its sleek design blends well with most home decor, and the quiet operation makes it unobtrusive. The multiple fan speeds and filter life indicator are practical features that enhance user experience. Number 4. Afloia Kilo Plus Smart Air Purifier. Introducing the Afloia Kilo Plus, your smart solution for cleaner air at home. It's designed to cover large rooms, ensuring fresh air in every corner. Connect seamlessly via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and enjoy the convenience of voice control with Alexa. Manage your air quality without leaving your seat. Our advanced 3-stage filtration system effectively captures pet dander, dust, pollen, and smoke. It also tackles unpleasant odors, leaving your home smelling fresh. Experience powerful purification without the noise. Operating at a quiet 22 dB, it ensures a peaceful environment, perfect for bedrooms and living spaces. With its capacity to purify up to 1,076 square feet, this device is ideal for large rooms. Enjoy comprehensive air cleaning for your entire home. Invest in your well-being with the Afloia Kilo Plus. It's more than just an air purifier, it's a commitment to a healthier living environment for you and your family. What we like? This smart air purifier connects to your Wi-Fi and is compatible with Alexa for easy control. It's designed for large rooms and offers quiet operation. If you're looking for a convenient, voice-controlled air purifier for your main living areas or bedrooms, this is a great choice. What people say. The Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is a compact and stylish unit that fits well in small to medium-sized rooms. It effectively removes allergens, dust, and pet dander from the air, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. The unit operates quietly on its lower settings, making it suitable for use in bedrooms or offices. Number 3. Nuwave Oxypure 0E500 Air Purifier. Take control of your air quality from anywhere with our smart app. Easily adjust settings, set timers, and monitor your air in real time with a simple color indicator. This powerful air purifier is designed for large rooms, efficiently cleaning the air in up to 966 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for any home or business. Enjoy consistently fresh air thanks to its high-performance purification. It effectively removes unseen pollutants, ensuring you breathe cleaner air with every breath. Designed for your comfort, it features a special nighttime mode. All indicator lights turn off, and it operates at a whisper-quiet level for undisturbed sleep. Experience a revolutionary approach to air purification with our washable and reusable filters. This means zero waste and zero need for replacements, saving you money and hassle. Rest assured, it meets strict safety standards, including California's certification for low ozone emissions. Breathe cleaner air with confidence. What we like. This air purifier boasts revolutionary washable and reusable filters, saving you money and reducing waste. It also offers smart app control for convenience. If you prioritize sustainability and want to avoid the ongoing cost of replacement filters while still getting excellent air purification for a large room, this is the ideal option. What people say. The Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is a compact and stylish unit that fits well in smaller rooms. It effectively removes odors and allergens, making the air noticeably fresher. The unit is very quiet, even on higher fan speeds, which is great for bedrooms or living areas. Number 2. Alen Fit50 Replacement HEPA Filter. Introducing the Alen Fit50 Replacement HEPA Filter. Designed specifically for your Breathe Smart Fit50 Air Purifier, it ensures you breathe cleaner, fresher air. This filter features a 3-stage H13 True HEPA system. It captures 99.9% of airborne particles, including dust, allergens, and pet dander, for a healthier home environment. Beyond particles, it effectively tackles household odors and smoke. Enjoy a home free from unpleasant smells and airborne irritants. Enjoy up to 12 months of pure air production with each filter. This ensures continuous, reliable air purification for your living or working space. Crafted with an ultra-absorbent activated carbon layer, this genuine Alen replacement filter guarantees superior performance. Experience the difference quality makes. Alen is dedicated to improving lives through innovative air purification. Let this filter transform the air quality in your home, creating a healthier sanctuary. What we like. This is a replacement filter specifically designed for the Alen Fit50. It offers a long-lasting performance of up to 12 months and features medical-grade HEPA filtration. If you already own the Alen Fit50 and are looking for an effective, long-lasting filter to combat odors, smoke, and allergens, this genuine replacement is what you need. What people say. The Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is a great choice for medium-sized rooms, effectively removing allergens and odors. Its sleek and modern design blends well with any home decor, and the quiet operation ensures it won't be a distraction. The unit features multiple fan speeds and an ionizer, allowing for customizable air purification to meet your specific needs. Number 1. Oasis iAdapt 2.0 HEPA Air Purifier. Introducing the iAdapt 2.0, your solution for cleaner indoor air. It's designed to tackle a wide range of airborne particles, ensuring a healthier environment for you and your family. Experience a significant reduction in viruses, mold, dust, smoke, and odors. This advanced purifier works diligently to remove up to 99% of these common contaminants. Enjoy the benefits of purified air without the distraction. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your peace, whether you're working, sleeping, or relaxing. Stay connected and in control with its Wi-Fi compatibility. You can easily manage your air quality right from your smart devices. This powerful unit is capable of cleaning the air in spaces up to 5,474 square feet. It provides comprehensive air purification for large homes and offices. Equipped with an H13 HEPA filter, it captures even the smallest particles. This ensures that the air you breathe is not only fresh but also exceptionally clean. What we like. This air purifier provides an impressive 5,474 square feet of clean air coverage and operates whisper quietly. It's also Wi-Fi compatible for added convenience. If you need to purify a very large area, such as an entire floor or a large open-plan space, and want quiet, connected operation, this model is an excellent solution. What people say. The Alen Fit50 Air Purifier is a great choice for medium-sized rooms, effectively removing allergens and odors. Its sleek and modern design blends well with any home decor, and the quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms. The unit features multiple fan speeds and an auto mode that adjusts purification levels based on air quality, ensuring optimal performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.